Dear partner, as the end of the year and the holiday season approaches, we want to say thank you very much for your continued partnership. We are really proud to have you. Despite this year's challenges, we are grateful that every day we passionately strive together to make the food chain more efficient, fair and sustainable. Thanks to this mindset, great strides have been made in our sustainability ambitions and in our shared goal to let more people enjoy healthy food. Now, allow me and the entire Nature Pride team to wish you and all people close to you a very Merry Christmas and a successful, healthy and great 2024.
¡Feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo!
Dear growers, thanks to your cooperation and dedication, you supplied us with the tastiest exotic fruits and vegetables while taking care of people and nature. We are grateful for these achievements. Together, we took on this year's challenges and turned them into opportunities. In doing so, we showed that it makes us stronger together. Thank you.
Voor Weihnachten und ein glückliches neues Jahr! Wesołych świąt i szczęśliwego nowego roku! Yeah! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
We want to thank all our customers for their trust and collaboration. In a market that is changing faster than ever, we are very proud that together with you, we continue to realize solutions that add value and grow the category. Our journey continues in 2024. We are ready to make it successful, together with you. As only together, we can let everyone enjoy healthy food today and tomorrow.
Hele fijne feestdagen en een gelukkig nieuwjaar! Ho, ho, ho!